Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Cherry Mark. This is the channel where we learn Kikuyu. This is the channel where we get to know my Kikuyu culture. Today I have something different and something new prepared for you. If you're watching me from wherever you are, get a cup of tea, get your cup of water, get anything, make yourself comfortable. Today we're going to learn about giving directions in Kikuyu. Now, the first thing we're going to learn are some few basics. And the first sentence I have for you is asking somebody, where is the church? Where is the church? This is how you say, Eko kanitha. Eko kanitha. Eko is where. Kanitha is church. The next sentence I have is, where is the shop? Where is the shop? Eko duka. Eko duka. Eko is always, it has to do with where. Where. Eko duka. Duka is shop. Eko duka. Eko duka. Eko duka. Where is the shop? The next sentence I have is, where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? Eko, we said always, Eko is asking where. Eko, where? Eko thifitari. Eko thifitari. Eko thifitari. Eko thifitari. Eko where? Thifitari. Thifitari. Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? The next sentence I have is, where is the school? Where is the school? Eko shukuru. Like we said always, Eko is asking where. Eko thukuru. Eko thukuru. Eko thukuru. Thukuru is school. Where is the school? Where is the school? Now, those are some of the examples while you are asking where is a certain place. Eko, where? Where is the school? Where is the hospital? Eko thifitari. Now, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to teach you on how to give more directions. And the next thing we're going to learn is when you are saying you are going north. I'm going north. First of all, north is called rugogo, rugogo, or ruguru, 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 rugogo, or ruguru. That is north. North. Rugogo or ruguru. South. Kiada. 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 South. Kiada. Kiada. Now, let's say for example you want to say left. Left is umotho, umotho, umotho. Right, urio, urio. Now, let's say for example you want to say right side or left side. Mwena wa umotho, mwena wa umotho, mwena wa umotho. Mwena is side, umotho is left. Mwena wa umotho, mwena wa umotho, mwena wa umotho. If you are a perfect and a fluent speaker, you can speak it very quickly and just say mwena wa umotho. But since you are and we are still in the basics level, you just say mwena wa umotho. Now, on the opposite side, the right side, mwena wa urio, mwena wa urio, mwena wa urio. We said mwena means side, urio means right. Now, let's say you want to say on the northern side, mwena wa ruguru, mwena wa ruguru, ruguru or rugogo. Ruguru is north. Rugogo also means north. Mwena is side. Mwena wa ruguru. Now, let's say you want to say southern side. Mwena wa kiada, mwena wa kiada. Mwena is side, kiada is south. Now, we have learned about north, south, right, and left. Now, we are going to go ahead and learn more about giving directions. And the next thing we're going to learn is going, if you want to tell somebody, go straight ahead or straight ahead. Straight ahead means, excuse me. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say, go back, go back. Thie, thutha, thutha. Thutha means back, back. Thutha, go back. Thie, go, thutha, back. Thie, thutha, go back. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say, go sideways. Go sideways. Thie na mwena. Thie na mwena. Go sideways. Thie is go, go. Mwena na mwena is sideways. You can be specific and say go sideways on your right. Thie mwena urio. Thie mwena urio. Go sideways on your right. If you want to say go sideways on your left, you can say thie mwena wa umotho. Umotho. Thie mwena wa umotho. Go sideways on your right, on your left, excuse me. Now, if you want to tell somebody, go there, go there. Thie kuria. thie, kuria, go there. Thie is go, there is kuria. Now, let's say you want to say go slowly. Go slowly. Thie, kahora. Thie, kahora. Go slowly. Let's say you want to say go fast. Go fast. Thie, ihenya. Thie, ihenya. Go fast. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say turn right. Turn right. Thie, mwena. No, let's say, if you want to say turn, you have to use the word wigonye. 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 Turn. Right, we said, is mwena urio. Wigonye mwena urio. Turn left. Wigonye mwena wa umotho. Wigonye mwena wa umotho. 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 Wigonye mwena wa umotho. Turn left. Wigonye, turn left. Umotho. Now, let's say you want to describe where something is and you want to say near the traffic lights. You can say hakuhe. Hakuhe means near. Hakuhe means near. Now, if you want to say near the traffic lights, hakuhe na matawa. Hakuhe na matawa. Hakuhe, we said, is near. Matawa are the traffic lights. Now, let's say you want to say behind the shop. Behind the shop. Behind, we said, is thutha. Thutha, behind. Behind the shop. Thutha wa duka. Thutha wa duka. Behind is thutha. Behind the shop. Thutha wa duka. Behind, thutha. And when you want to say behind the shop is thutha wa duka. Now, the vital thing in asking direction is just knowing how to ask where is A and B or XYZ. Eko. 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 Kanitha. Where is the church? Now, that is the vital thing in asking direction. Knowing how to say north, south, right, left, turn, behind, go straight, thie, mbere. You can say go straight, mbere, or meaning go ahead. Mbere, ahead is mbere. Mbere means ahead. Mbere is ahead. Go ahead. Mbere. Mbere. Let's say you want even to describe the church is 2 meters ahead. The church is 2 meters ahead. This is how you say kanitha kilomita igiri mbere. Kanitha kilometers. 2, ingiri, ahead, mbere. Mbere is ahead. Kanitha kilomita ingiri mbere. Kanitha kilomita ingiri mbere. Now, let's say you want to ask, where is Kenya? Where is Kenya? Kenya is on the eastern side of Africa. You can say, Kenya eko. Kenya eko. You can answer, Kenya mwena wa urio wa Africa. Kenya mwena urio wa Africa. Kenya is on the eastern side of Africa. Now, we are going to stop right here. I hope you had a chance to understand and even learn the basics on how to ask directions, give directions, and even more information on how to describe ways and directions. Now, I want to appreciate every one of you who is watching me from wherever or from all parts of the world. I want to say thank you so much for being so faithful and loyal to this channel. Again, I wish you all a beautiful evening wherever you are. I'm going to see you again in the next channel. With those few words, I say good night and sleep well. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.